Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurrect Autos HQ. So guys, it is Friday. We made it through another week, very busy week, especially yesterday doing that Vauxhall Corsa, the wet belt and the MOT and the service. It was just really busy today. So it's a little bit more quiet today. And we are going to start, we've got a couple of cars and a couple of bits and pieces to do. We're going to start with this Renault Captur. I have now got the bonnet back from the paint shop and the Nissan Qashqai is back from the paint shop. So I'm going to show you that as well. But let's start with this. We need to get this bonnet fitted and then we've got to get this MOT today. So this is booked for 1 o'clock for the MOT. Got some bits and pieces. I'm going to set you up. Let's get cracking. Let's get this one finished for the customer. Yeah, we'll just see how far we get today. Let's do this. Right, okay. Well, guys, look at that. That looks such a good job. He really does a nice job, the painter. And, yeah, incredibly better. Much better. I couldn't have left it. I've got to be honest. It had to be done. It had to be changed. It just needed to be right. And that is right now. It is really good. I've also, like I said, I've got the Nissan Qashqai back from the paint shop as well. And the windscreen guy is on his way. Today is going to be crazy again. The windscreen guy is on his way to install the glass roof. So I'm going to leave this for the moment because that's ready now to go to the MOT centre. And then once I take it and bring it back, I'll show you the results and we'll go from there. But for now, let's get this one outside, get the Nissan Qashqai inside. We're going to have a walk around that. I'm going to show you the repair on that first from the paint shop and the body shop. And then we're going to wait for the windscreen guy. When he turns up, I'm going to set you up and we're going to get cracking with that as well. But yeah, crazy. That looks amazing. Really nice job. But I'm really happy now. I just couldn't have left it with that front damage. So there we go. Right, bear with me for the moment. Let me swap over the cars. I'll bring the Qashqai in. We'll have a look at that. We'll crack on. Let's do this. So guys, got the Nissan Qashqai back from the body paint shop as well. Let me show you the results. So we basically had to do the painting down this pillar as well. Went down the right along there because obviously, do you remember all the paint that was peeled off due to the tape? And that is now all done. Let me just show you that bit as well. He does a really good job. But do you remember that obviously the little bit of a bump and a crease in the roof now? That is all completely straightened up right through there. So yeah, he did say he had a little bit of a messing around here, and then yeah, he done a really good job. But yeah, that is all done and painted through as well. The other side, exactly the same thing. Just had to paint all the way up these here where the tape was obviously just not like, do you know that plastic tape that I peeled off? It just, yeah, it wasn't good, was it? So yeah, that is the painting now done. Like I said to you, the windscreen guy is on his way. And we're going to get this done as well now. So we've got to do a little bit of prep work. There's a little bit of old sealant or something that's stuck to this. So we've got to do a little bit of prep work on this. And then, you know, we can get, he can then, I'm going to let him cut the rest of this roof out. So I'm going to let him cut that out of there. And then we're going to sit the new glass in place, get it all primed up here, and then prime the glass, sit it back in place. And yeah, to sort of get this one all sealed up and watertight. So let me set you up. Let's get this glass prepped, and then we'll wait for the guy to turn up. So let's do this. Right, okay. Well, guys, there we go. Glass roof fitted. Yeah. Not that long, actually. It didn't take that long, but all sorted, all fitted. It went a little bit thicker with the glue, just because it's on the roof and just because of, you know, potentially, you know, leaks and stuff. So he went a little bit overkill. He said he used the thicker one or the bigger tube one that you know, the size of the cut I'm talking about, sort of things like that. So, but yeah. And as you just saw there, we just sort of got in, stuck in, I helped him out, do some little bits and pieces. I put a little bit of rubber grease down there because the glass, as you put it in, the glass flicks down, and then you sort of see, once you flick it down there underneath that trim, this is the water trim. Once you flick it on there, and then you can put the back down, and then yeah, it is done. The glass roof is back in position now. So that is good. Another little step forward. Really got to do sort of a clean inside and out and an MOT on this one. But not today. Now, I've got to get back in the Renault Captur and I've got to take that for an MOT. And we'll probably do this on Monday. But yeah, at least the glass, you know, the panel roof is all in place and it's all sealed. I'm going to probably leave it inside the workshop over the weekend so that it gets, you know, it gets completely dry and solid. That glue, it don't take long to dry, but if I leave it over the weekend, then there's obviously, you know, inside the workshop. But yeah, not too bad, especially where obviously the paintwork's done now, and then now the glass roof is on place and done. It's really getting there. Not too much really when it comes to money wise. He charged me, I think he charged me like 70 quid, £70 to fit this glass. I know we had to cut off and cut away a little bit of the front piece, and you know that was a little bit tricky, but it's worth paying, you know, a little bit of money rather than me doing it. I could have probably done it, I've got to be honest, but I think get him over 70 quid and it's done. So yeah, for now we're going to leave this one until Monday. Let's jump back in the Captur. Let's get that over to the MOT centre. When I get back, I'm going to show you the results on that one. It's turned out a very busy day. I thought it was going to be really quiet today, but it's turned out a bit busy. So let's get that over to the MOT centre. I'll see you soon, guys. Bear with me. See you in a bit. Right, okay, guys. I am back from the MOT centre with this Renault Captur. Yeah, what a lovely drive. Honestly, it's really nice drive, these are. So, yeah, let me show you the results. So there we go. No advisories, MOT, which I thought was going to happen anyway, because you can see it's only done that much difference in mileage since the last MOT in 2024. So it's not done a lot of miles. You can see like the difference, like 32, 34, 36, now 37, and that's since 2022. So really low mileage on that. And yeah, he just said it's a nice car. Nothing he's doing to it. So yeah, all sorted. So the really what I do now is just go over it and give it a good clean. Just, you know, because obviously it's all dirty here. So I've got a few bits of cleaning to do on it. But it's not that bad, but I just want to do a few bits and pieces. So let's get that done now and just see what else we can get done today. But yeah, a great little car for someone. You know, she's going to absolutely love it. And yeah, I think she's going to pick it up next week, actually, next Monday. So yeah, let's get it all cleaned up now. Just spend a bit of time. Just, what's that up there? Yeah, let's get that cleaned off. But yeah, great. It's a really nice drive. These cars are really nice. So let's get set up. Let's do this. Right, okay, so guys, there we go. All nice and clean, ready to be picked up on, I think, Monday now. Might be tomorrow, but I think it's going to be Monday. Just not sure, because she does work and she just needs to get over to me. And she's got another car to swap over, so she'll probably leave her other car at her mum's, and then maybe sort of drive, and then get her mum to drive her over this way. Let me just move that seat forward a little bit. It's got to go back there. That's it. So I've got to go twist. Yeah, it's got to twist over a little bit. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, nice car. Really, really worked out well, this one. So there we go. It is completed. So we're not going to see this one again. It is Friday, guys. Have a great weekend. I'll see you Monday, where we're probably going to be taking the Nissan Qashqai for an MOT. Didn't have time to do it today. It's just running about everywhere. But yeah, Nissan Qashqai on Monday. And I've got some good news on the Nissan Micra. So yeah, look forward to that next week on the Nissan Micra. You know, the one that was locked, no keys, didn't know if it had an engine, didn't know if it started, didn't know the mileage. Well, there's been a bit of a breakthrough with that car. So I'll explain everything on Monday. But for now, that's it, guys. Have a great weekend. I'll see you Monday. Don't forget, drop me a comment down below. Give the video a thumbs up. See you soon. Thanks for watching.